friends, today's topic is Gemini editing capability shaping your response. Now I will show you step by step in Google Gemini. Copy some text in this Gemini. After that, give a command summarization above note. After that I will run this. You observe this summarization is this much only. The fact check, rewrite and summarization, expectation and tone adjustment. This is summarize, this is the main. I will input this much. The summarization this much. Another is the another command is the elaborate expansion. Now I'll give this command, this para extension, elaborate this above topic. Above note. The elaborating this note is given this much. Elaborating is above note, given this much. Elaborate this much. Observe this. How much input is given, how much is output is coming. This elaborating. The Gemini response editing features. This one. The other command is the another command. I will give this para, I will copy and paste. After that I will give another command. Research. Research. Give command write a 5,000 words research. You observe this research paper as highlighted corner element is this much 5,000 words. You observe this. How much I give this much the 5,000 words. I give this much information. It is I want to research purpose paper 5,000 words is given abstract introduction of the elevation of the AI need for editing. And the second topic Gemini editing response function AI in depth analyzing. The third topic tech check ensure accurate and creatable. Then rewrite enhance clarity, consistency and styles. The summarization condensing information effective understanding. The expression adding depth in the comprehensive. To adjust trolling content, match disorder styles, effective editing techniques, optimize Gemini performance. The offer feedback, the irritative important, the irritate and identify explanation of adjustment, average contents guidelines, Gemini's decisions, case study of the practical examination, case study of research papers, practical exam of social media post, practical exam on email and college, challenges and future directions, the conclusion, power of Gemini editing capabilities. This much is coming there. This Gemini is used. The Gemini most response editing features are available in Gemini AI Studio. Google Gemini AI Studio is full form. Please subscribe my TechDot channel. Please like, please share. Thanking you once again, your TechDot.